Casey Davis is moving up 2 weight classes from 141. Got a little bit bigger. He's certified down at 49, but he wants to wrestle 57. He's going to have some success there. I mean, Casey, as I talked about earlier, he's a guy that might not be known nationally, but he's a talented kid, and he can. I think he's going to get some quality wins this year. In addition, we have a freshman off redshirt, Chase DeLandy. I think Chase is going to have a nice career for us. Just been hurt, we just got to get him some matches. But he's wrestling in the practice room. I know he's happy about that. He had to sit most of last year, so we expect pretty big things from him.
I try to go by the philosophies our coaches instill, like 2 times a day. Be a leader, show up on time to practice, work hard every day, and just the basics. Just follow what the coach say and try to instill in the younger guys and show them that this is the right way. Don't be doing your own thing. Do what the coaches say.
Greisheimer's going to go down a weight. I think it's going to help him. I think he did. He had a decent season, but I think he struggled with guys that were just a touch bigger. I think, one, he's going to be pretty good sized at this weight, and 2, just the extra commitment to, eating right again and getting the weight down is going to sharpen him, and I already see it in his wrestling. He already looks better, and he's a guy that's been a top 12 guy. He's close. So, like David Habit, I think these guys, they punch themselves onto that stand, and, Edinboro can really rise up at the NCAA tournament.